How to refinance your mortgage with Truist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are looking to refinance your mortgage with Truist, here is a simple guide. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist. Now here simply find and click on the mortgage and now here and if you are an existing client, you can sign in to access your account. Otherwise, you can continue as a guest. And there, you just have to click on refinance and compare rates, terms, and monthly payment option. And after that, you can simply click apply now to begin your refinance application. And after that, on the next page, you need to provide your personal info, income, employment, and current mortgage details. And with that, you need to enter your property info and estimated home value and upload required documents such as ID, pay stubs, tax returns, mortgage statements, and with that, you need to double check all the information. And once you're done with it, you just need to click submit to send your application. And after that, just wait for approval and Truist will review your application and contact you with approval status with new terms and next steps. And that's it. Refinancing your mortgage with Truist is straightforward when you follow the steps. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos.